Hello friend, this is Honda Accord 98 model. Customer complaint, sometime car is start, sometime not start. When the engine light is on, the car is running good. When the engine light is sometime not on, the engine light sometime not on, car is crank but no start. Sometime crank car good but no start. In this time the engine light is okay, the car will be start good. But when the engine light is not coming, the car is crank but no start. In this video I will show you common failure for the Honda Accord 94 to 2008. In this time okay. Engine light is good, but sometimes the engine light is not working. Show you the problem. Where is the problem in this time? There is one ECM relay. This one. This is the connector for the ECM relay. Now we remove this ECM relay and repair. This is the location for the ECM relay, fuel pump relay. Same location, same relay. $10mm nut. Remove this and remove this relay. This is the relay. Same place, Honda Accord. You see, this is the relay, ECM relay. You see, this solder is gone. No, it is the connector is loose. So many connector is loose. And you see clear. I remove the solder and back to the car. This is a common failure for any Honda Accord. Any Honda Accord car, same problem. Now I fix back, check engine light on, start boat. Thank you for watching. Okay.